Welcome to the Python course for beginners. This is the perfect course to get started and learn how to code. We're going to show you how you can get ready and code directly on your computer, setting up your developer environment and creating Python code. Python is the perfect language to learn. It has a small learning curve and it's easy to get started quickly with Python. Well, it's one of the most popular programming languages in the world. There are so many people learning Python and doing so many cool, amazing things. You can get started with Python very quickly. Even with the basics of Python, I'm going to show you how you can create some interesting applications. This course is loaded with fun projects to get you coding and to get you started on your journey with Python. I will show you all the basics of Python, including variables, how you can store values, sets, dictionaries, lists, also how you can get the user input from the terminal, apply logic using conditions to your code, creating loops and iteration, running blocks of code, functions, how they work, built-in methods, modules, how you can create your own modules, import them into your projects, and a whole lot more. Best of all, source code is included to get you up and running quickly with your Python code. You're going to be amazed at what you can do with Python. So join now and get started coding and creating your own applications.